Hello students, in this part we will discuss about the sensory or nervous system in cockroach. Nervous system in cockroach is mostly found in the form of ganglia. What is ganglia? It is the collection of nerves. You can see that it is a group of cells, group of nerve cells. Collection of nerve cells. And the nervous system in the cockroach is basically two types: CNS and PNS. CNS stands for Central Nervous System, Central Nervous System, and PNS is Peripheral Nervous System, Peripheral Nervous System. As human being, there are two parts of CNS, brain and spinal cord. But in cockroach, CNS contains supra esophageal ganglia, which act like as a brain. Supraesophageal ganglia which act like as a brain, and second one is subesophageal ganglia. Both these ganglia parts act as a brain. And the next, there are two nerve cord towards the ventral side. Means pair of nerve cord which present towards the ventral side. So you can see that two ventral cord, and this act like as a spinal cord, or you can say that paired ventral cord. टू कह सकते हैं, paired कह सकते हैं बेटा, paired ventral cord which act as a spinal cord in cockroach. PNS consists only nerve cell. It contains only nerve cell. There are 9 ganglia present in the cockroach. 9 ganglia present in cockroach. Although these ganglia are found in pairs, but they are attached. ये जो गैंग्लिया होते हैं, ये गैंग्लिया कुछ इस वे से 9 पेयर में होते हैं, लेकिन 9 के 9 पेयर एक दूसरे से अटैच्ड होते हैं. These are attached with each other. So we can say that there are 9 ganglia present in the cockroach. और 9 गैंग्लिया को दो हिस्सों में बांट दिया गया. 1 in the thoracic cavity, 3 in the thoracic cavity, and 6 in the abdominal cavity. Thoracic cavity, 1 in prothorax, 1 in mesothorax, and 1 in metathorax. There are 6 found in the abdomen cavity. Abdominal cavity. और abdominal cavity में 6 कहां प्रेजेंट होते हैं? There are 6 ganglia. फर्स्ट सेगमेंट से लेकर के 5th सेगमेंट्स तक कंटिन्यू प्रेजेंट होते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द 6th segment. These are the 5th ganglia, and 6th ganglia is present in the 7th segments. So you can say that 1st to 5th, and then in 7th segments they are found in the abdominal cavity, 6 ganglia. Now, what is the structure present in the ganglia in the cockroach? How is the ganglia structure present in the cockroaches? The one pair which is present in the prothorax is the dorsally, so it can be seen as large. These are found in pairs. One pair is present in the thoracic cavity, and this is known as supraesopharyngeal ganglia. Supraesopharyngeal ganglia. And the next one which is present in the mesothorax. This is known as subesopharyngeal ganglia. Subesopharyngeal ganglia. These supra and subesopharyngeal ganglia means first one is upper side, that is towards upper किसके एसोफेगस के एलिमेंट्री कैनल के अपर प्रेजेंट है, इसलिए इसको सुप्रा एसोफेरिंजियल बोलते हैं, और लोअर दैट इज प्रेजेंट बिलो द एसोफेगस. So we can say that supra and this one is the sub. Both supra and sub are attached with the connectives. These are attached with each other with the connectives. You can say that esopharyngeal connective. Then one in metathorax, one pair, one in the first segments, one in second segments, one in the third segments. This is the meta, this is the first segments, second segments, third segments, fourth segments, fifth segments. Not present in sixth, they are found in seventh segments. Not present in sixth, sixth में कुछ नहीं है, seventh में present है. These are the 9 ganglia present in the cockroach. Both these ganglia are attached with the ventral cord. These are attached with the ventral cord. 2 ventral cord present, which connect the ganglia with each other. So the ventral cord act as a spinal cord. This is the ventral cord. Now there are 4 pairs of nerves arises from the supraesopharyngeal ganglia. एक supraesopharyngeal ganglia, यहां से 4 पेयर नर्व्स अराइजेस होती हैं. 4 पेयर किसे? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 इससे मतलब 4 पेयर. या you can say that there are 4 nerves arises from the each ganglia from कौन सा पोर्शन? supraesopharyngeal. ये 4 कहां पहुंचती है? सेम इसी प्रकार से 4 इससे, इसी प्रकार 4 इससे. विड्रॉ विद अदर कलर 1 2 3 and 4. ये कहां पहुंचती है? फर्स्ट वन, दिस रीच टू द एनेटरी और एंटेनी. एंटेनेटरी भी हो सकते हैं बेटा. दिस नर्व्स रीच टू द एंटीना, and second one reach to the optic, means eye तक. Third one upper lips, which is known as labrum, or you can say that upper lips. and fourth one to the neck, so we can say that cervical or neck. These four reaches to the different head structure and same, ये भी इधर से भी जो फोर गई है वही सेम, एंटेनरी, दूसरा ऑप्टिक और तीसरा लैब्रम और जो फोर्थ वन है दैट इज द सर्वाइकल. सेम इससे इसी प्रकार से सब एसोफेरेंजियल जो गैंग्लिया है यहां से भी 3 ईच गैंग्लिया सीक्रेट्स 3 नर्व्स, 3 इससे अपर साइड में हेड की तरफ, लोअर साइड में भी हेड की तरफ, लेकिन ये तीनों कहां पर, जो फर्स्ट वन है दैट रीच टू द लेबियल, लेबियल मींस लोअर लिप्स, लोअर लिप्स. सेकंड वन इज मैक्सिलरी, एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ मैक्सिला, इट होल्ड द फूड पार्टिकल्स, तो मैक्सिलरी तक. और थर्ड वन इज मैंडिबल, and what is the role of mandibles? These are the chitinous teeth which crush the food particles. There is no special ganglia present in the head of the cockroach, so if we cut the head of cockroach, the cockroach may live for 7 days, or you can say that one week or more than 1 week, because all the sensory system is adjust in the whole body rather than head. Head consists only the nerves, and the other portion, each ganglia. What is the role of PNS? We already discussed about the CNS. PNS, each pair of ganglia give rise the nerves which reach to the body. And this is the part of PNS, peripheral nervous system. Whole body is adjusted with the ganglia. These pair, last one pair arises the nerves, lateral or as well as the lower side. So the sensory system act in the cockroach just like on this one. So both the systems CNS and PNS help in the contraction of it, send the information in the cockroach by the central nervous system or PNS. Central nervous system which contains the brain or spinal cords. Ventral cord act as spinal cord, whereas supra and subesopharyngeal act as a brain. And the nerves which arises from the lateral side of the ganglia makes the PNS, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, the nervous system which arises from the CNS. So this is the CNS part, and these nerves arises from the CNS part. So the sensory system or nervous system is completed in the cockroach.